To Medaputi Maizan. I'm Tilana Ramasundram. Today I'm going to talk about the lesson that I learned from both CEO. The first lesson that I learned from John Mackey, who is the CEO for Whole Foods, is building a good relationship with all stakeholders through ongoing and consistent and caring behavior. Wants to help the company. The lesson that I learned from Charles, who is the CEO for a Starbucks company, is no matter what obstacle that he can overcome it. This is I can conclude from this man, because coincidentally Charles' email went out and caused 3 big communication had occurred. Because it don't bother that, although he experienced bitter times in his life, but he keep moving forward to reach his goal.
The lesson I learned from both CEOs, that John Mackey and Schultz, about motivation and leadership and changes and innovative apply. The lesson from John Mackey, who is the CEO for the Whole Foods, he is don't bother about the failure, and also he motivate himself to make successful in business. He also have a good leadership. He also focus on changes and innovative apply. Furthermore, I learned from Howard Schultz, who is CEO for Starbucks. He is motivation and leadership. How to apply the motivation and leadership in business. He play a good leadership role in Starbucks. However, Schultz will concentrate the picture, particularly how to make a Starbucks brand strive as the people increasingly spend time online and around them. He more focus on changes and innovative strategy. The leadership moves comes Starbucks endeavors to keep growing even as a traditional brick and mortar retail suffer from the migration of consumer toward the online shopping.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Azura binti Lain. Today I want to conclude the lesson I learned from Johnny Mackey, CEO from Whole Foods. They are successful. Role management should have pay attention to the company culture. Company's culture can be a service constraint on its successful or a source of strength and competitive advantage. As a later inspiration for Mackey's perspective, but whatever you do, focus on culture now rather than later, because remember love is statement that culture is strategy from breakfast. Management has led Starbucks to a number of successful companies. It is about who you are, but it's about how you manage to take responsibility to the company and employee futures. We will summarize by saying that Starbucks is the most popular coffee shop in the world, and with leadership such, Starbucks still continue expand such belief that it is important for standard respect all employees and motivate